Which song was that? Looks like we missed somebody here in the judging. I believe it was the first one.
It's the third. It was the second. The one that I was the lead.
Did we judge?
The guy didn't.
We judged Jasmine. We got you, Jasmine. You got a 2. You got a 2. We judged you. You got a 2. They only got 3 votes. All right, but we'll work it out, and we'll do a weighted average of it. All right, it always works out that way. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think that brings to a close the 4th annual Johnson Apollo 4th of July Bash. Let's have a big round of applause for everybody. Angie, what did you do?
I'll be right back.
All right, we had a group here that we seemed to miss.
No, they only missed 1 vote.
Who was the vote, miss?
No, we did it 2 times.
When we voted for it, this is...
No, they just one I didn't record.
Okay, this was Angie and Chance. Did everybody recall voting for them?
Yeah, they did.
I gave it 7.
I didn't get it. Maybe I didn't record it probably.
Mr. Jackson, did you recall voting for them?
Yeah.
8, okay. Thank you very much. We bring this to a close. Give a big hand of applause to yourselves, to the group, to the MC. Wait a minute. I expect you to kowtow for the MC. What is this?
Okay.
This is scoring? All right, we're going to see who's won this contest. I can't read a thing on here. I wonder why. Who wrote this? Terry. No, excuse me. Terry. Where's Terry? Terry, you want to come out and read this for me?
Kristen won.
What's the first group?
Oh, I don't know.
All right, excuse me. Then who won it? Who's got the highest score on here?
Kristen, she won.
The highest score is what, 39?
No.
Right, the
high score is 40. High score is 40. That's that Sing group.
All right, somebody got 4 10s. Who was that?
The Sing.
All right. The group with 4 10s was the Sing. So that a big round of applause for group number 1, first place, Sing. All right. The second winner is our Lady of the Flute. Big round of applause for Kristen. I don't know what they're getting. All right, who's the third group? The third winner here. They didn't write it down, and I can't read it.
But Rose.
Rose was the
Rose. What's the
Rose, what
joke?
did Rose get?
Rose should have.
Look on the back, man.
What?
Yeah, Rose should have 30.
Rose with her dirty jokes?
Yeah. Oh, I got 39? You not.
Yeah, I'm surprised too. All right, Rose Marie, third place with the dirty jokes. All right, who's fourth place here? I can't read a thing. Wait a minute, you know, it seems that we have several ties. Rose Marie had 39. We had Angie, Jasmine, Sabanjale, and Vanessa with 39.
No, it wasn't it. Oh, yeah. Never mind.
Whose child is this? Take control of your child, please.
We need to get on the back like.
Then we had Trina, Sade, and Tiffany with 39.
They're getting all in my
We got a
head.
bunch of 39s, so let's give all the 39s a big round of applause. They're partying in the house.
Hey, he's over here talking about he got
All right.
I'm not getting
Well, they're going to get in. They're going to get in the school. It's better than around me.
All right.
There's blood on your shirt. Your sleeve.
Could you stand over there, please? Don't crowd me. Could you please stand over there? All right, we're going to award first prize, first place to Sing. We have here a gift certificate from the warehouse for $19.99.
wow.
Actually, it's 20. Whose child is this?
It's not yours, miss. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, we know that. For $20, and it goes to sing, sing, sing. And I understand they're going to somehow divvy this up. That's their problem and not mine. Thank you very much. Big round of applause. Applause for sing, sing, sing. All right, what's the next group? Next group. Hello.
Okay, now.
My mom said, come on, go back to live.
One down the line.
Mom said, come on, go back to live.
You're going to have to give them that.
Go ahead.
All right. Wait. We got the next group coming up. No, just hold on a second. We're going to give out some prizes. All right, the next group, we had a tie. Everybody we had ties here, so give them all something. All the groups come up and get a prize. We've got one group at a time. We got the Daddy Jokers. Rose? Rose is not here.
Yes. Rose.
If you're not here, you get nothing. All right, Rose Marie gets the prize of a jar of, who said this name?
I did. I'll donate this to a worthy cause. Where's Terry?
She gets a huge, humongous jar of relish. Next group up. I don't know who the group's like. Where's my book?
Kristen was supposed to be next.
Where's Kristen?
Yeah.
Did Kristen leave?
No, she didn't leave. Come on, Terry.
Oh, that's right. She didn't leave. Kristen. Kristen. No, her mother didn't do anything.
It's her. I get to carry the prize. Thank you.
All right, for Kristen, she got a large jar of relish, too. Let's see, we've got Antoine and Chardonnay. Angie and Chance.
They're like a hot dog.
Trina. Banana Group. Anybody come forward?
Thank you. Hey, your house had to get one of those. Next group.
These people need some home training.
That's in the same family. Yeah. We might want some mustard instead of ketchup.
Yeah, why do you give a mustard or something? It's the same group.
Your heart said ketchup. Yeah, your heart said ketchup.
All right. Anybody else didn't get something here? I'm awfully tired from it. And I haven't been paid a nickel. You know what I'm saying? You're talking about disrespect.
You want ketchup in your birthday? Ketchup in your birthday. You want to take your birthday?
You know who my friends are.
Yeah, ketchup for your birthday.
And they don't come from Victorville.
I got three more mustards.
She's got 3 more mustards. All right, who wants a mustard? Come up. Banana Group. Hey, we're trying to give out mustard here.
We got four mustards.
Anybody wants mustard?
Well, the MC should get something, a jar of peanut butter or something.
No. You're not paying this MC with mustard.
We'll try peanut butter.
Hey, go in and get your friends, Kristen, and tell them to come out here and get some mustard. Hey, go get the rest of the group. That's an order. Get them. Bring them out here.
Hey! I got relish for a hot dog.
Did she say she had relish for hot dog?
Hot dog.
Is that all you
I know.
Keep giving it around.
Yeah, give it to the judges. They did a bad job. Give them mustard. And that one from Victorville, give him 2 jars.
Hey,
Yeah, one left.
Give it to Pat. Mildred. No.
Yeah, Mildred, you deserve mustard.
Mustard for the hot dog.
Yeah, mustard for the hot dog.
Yeah, I just
All right.
mustard.
I don't know what else to say.
Thanks.
I don't get nothing in there.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much. I'm too tired to continue.
We're going to get him a lollipop.
Appreciate your time. Good night. Good night.
Kristen, come put your food in the house.
Tiffany, we already got it.